Hello friends, top of the day to you. Welcome to this online program. Today on computer maintenance, we'll be looking at 12 simple ways to take care of your computer. I am Ikechi Ibe. Your computer is a valuable electronic investment that needs to be cared for. Here are some basic and simple tips to take care of your computer. 1. Get padded protection for your laptop. Pick up a laptop sleeve, laptop case, or a laptop book bag to carry around your computer. You can even consider making your own out of a sleeping bag or pillow. Dropping your laptop a couple of times could result in crashing it and wiping all your information. 2. Be good to your battery. Laptop batteries will only last for a few years, so try not to leave your battery charging all the time. When the battery is done charging, unplug the battery cable or remove the battery. You should also charge your battery fully before unplugging the power cable, and also use the battery fully before recharging. Now, it's actually something that so many persons, these are the things so many persons do. They will plug laptop and leave it and go to bed. It is not good. Always avoid it. The consequences of it is that it will damage the battery and damage the system, so avoid it. Number 3, use antivirus. Use antivirus and a firewall. It's important to use antivirus program that is updated. It could cost over $150 to fix your computer if you get a virus or spyware. You also want to protect any confidential information you may have on your computer. Antivirus is important. If virus damage your system, it can lose off your vital information. So always go for a good antivirus. As a strong one, like the licensed antivirus that lasts for 1 year, 2 years, all those stuff. So try and make use of a good antivirus to protect your system from unwanted harm. Defragment your hard disk. If you use a Mac, your computer already maintains itself regularly. If you use a PC, you should defragment your hard disk regularly to get your computer to run faster. To access your disk defragmenter, click Start, Programs, Accessories, System Tools, System Defragmenter. Declutter. Number 5, declutter. Get rid of old files you don't need anymore. Use this cleanup to delete temporary files in recycle bin, and other files you don't need anymore. To access this cleanup, click Start or Program, Accessories, System to System Disk Cleanup. You should also clean out your browsing and download history if you don't need them anymore. If you are using Mozilla Firefox, go to Tools, Clear Recent History. If you are using Google Chrome, go to Settings, red icon on the right, History, Edit Items, Clear all browsing data. Reformat your computer. That is number 6. Number 6 simple tips. Reformat your computer. If your computer is wearing out, consider backing up your information and restoring your operating system. I found that it is such a hassle sometimes, but I do it for my own protection, especially after I deleted virus or spyware from system, because after virus has finished attacking your system, what you need to do, once you come in, it can still be misbehaving, so you need to back up your files. And in short, what you need as somebody who is ICT inclined or computer literate, you just need to be backing up your file regularly to avoid unwanted things, because any day, anytime is electronics, it can give you an issue that is beyond repair. So always back up your files. Now let's go to number 7. Be careful with foods and drink. You won't believe how many computers are run with accidents involving food and drinks, especially coffee. According to Herbal Hostels, use a carton or bottle with a lid to avoid spilling drinks onto your computer. Be careful when eating food with sauce, because a simple peel could cause a big problem. Disable programs you don't use. If your computer takes a long time to load, it is probably because it's loading programs that are set to run startup. Check out which programs you don't need. To access system configuration, check out the programs are running on the startup program. To access system configuration, check out which programs are running on the startup. Go to click start, run, type in msconfig, click the tab startup, uncheck programs you don't want to uncheck the programs you don't want to load on the startup. Click apply and then OK. Number 9. Keep your computer cool. Avoid using your computer on a soft surface like your bed, because that will prevent air from flowing through your computer. Try to find a cool and hard surface for your computer to prevent overheating and to encourage overflow. If you have usable and cool basement, consider using your computer there. You should also invest in cooling pad or fan to prevent overheating. Be patient and don't run too much. Every program requires a bit of CPU. Be patient if you are trying to run a program and it's taking a while. Don't immediately hit the power button every time your computer freezes for a minute. Wait a while and then use your intuitions to assess whether or not you should reboot, because some persons click and click and click and click and click. They want the thing to respond as fast as everything. Computer is very sensitive. As long as it tap once, allow it to respond before you're able to tap the second one. Try not to run too many programs and tabs at once. Close any program and tabs you don't need to avoid freezing your computer. 11. Clean your computer. It's important to clean your computer to prevent dust from decreasing airflow, which can make your computer overheat. You can pick up air duster to clean the dust regularly. Be very gentle with cleaning your computer. How to clean your computer? How to clean your monitor? Get a soft cloth, dampen it with cool water. 2. Wipe your monitor downward carefully and gently. Don't press too hard onto the screen. Don't leave any water drops that could damage internal components. Make sure your computer ports don't get clogged up, usually from dust. To avoid having to hire professionals to clean. How to clean your computer ports? Shut off your computer. Use a fan or a can of compressed air. You can get this at home, office, store like Staples or Office Depot to blow away whatever and garbage you can. Definitely some technicians use blower to do this. So sure, the blower is most recommended way of taking dust out from any of the ports. So go and get blower machine. Is a machine that uses can use for anything to use to take out dust. So number 3, use toothpick or needle to carefully clean out the mess. Take the fan or compressed air to blow away more chunk. Rub alcohol on the cotton swab or Q-tip to clean the area around the pot. Wait until the pot is dry before turning it on back. Clean your computer regularly. 12. Finally, places to use the computer. Always ensure that the room or environment is ventilated. A place that has a constant air circulated air conditioned room will ensure that the computer does not overheat. Thank you. Please subscribe.